Doing one more because this song is going to ruin me. I ended Facebook Live last night with this song because I've not played it in forever. And the reason is, when I write a song in a certain key, I keep it in that key. Now, I don't think about having to sing it night after night after night after night after night. And then sometimes, those songs kick my ass. So, right after Chris Cornell passed away.
Chris Cornell, right on.
Right. I was a huge fan. I mean, the guy, I don't know how you could not be a fan of Chris Cornell. Everything he did, everything he did. The guy could sing his tail off and you know, scream and do it night after night after night and write great songs. And for some reason, he thought to end it. And it broke my heart.
Me too, man.
And so I was sitting upstairs in my office the day after Chris Cornell passed away. And I was like, well, what kind of tribute can I do? Because I can't, I can sing Soundgarden, but I have to change the keys. And
Or audio slave.
Here's or audio slave, yeah, exactly. So I wound up writing this song right here. Now, this song, it might not sound like something Chris Cornell would sing at first, but just give me a second, I'll get there. I'm gonna end the show with a song called There's a Storm Coming. Woo! Everything seems fine on the horizon. There's not a cloud in the sky, but I can tell there's something stirring. Only thing to say is hold on tight. There's a storm coming, 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 bringing lots of pain. I can feel the thunder deep down in my bones. There's a storm coming, coming, coming. There's no escape, but we'll be the ones left standing when it's gone. I never run away from trouble, and I've never hidden from a fight. More than a few have tried to stop us. Notice how I said that they all tried. There's a storm coming, 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 bringing lots of pain. I can feel the thunder deep down in my bones. There's a storm coming, coming, coming. There's no escape, but we'll be the ones left standing when it's gone. There's a storm coming, 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 bringing lots of pain. I can feel the thunder deep down in my bones. There's a storm coming, coming, coming. There's no escape, but we'll be the ones left standing when it's gone. Yeah, we'll be the ones left standing when it's gone. Yeah, we'll be the ones left standing when it's gone. I'm Jason Michael Carroll, everybody. Thank you very much.
All right, guys, let's hear it for Jason Michael Carroll.
Guys, on behalf of my wife and myself and everybody that helped out tonight, we really appreciate everybody coming out, spending your night with us. We hope everybody had a great time.
Woo! Thank you, sir.
Thank you, guys. guys so much. Everybody have a very safe trip home. Thank you.
That was awesome.
Wait, I'm going to the car.
That was almost better than the Wausau show.
That was terrific.
I mean, the Wausau show was good, but that wasn't. It was like.
This was like an intimate performance, like very few people. This is great. And that concludes JMC Barnyard Bash. Yeah, cool. That was awesome.